So the next Sunday I went to my home ward, and the Relief Society president in her lesson wrote on the board, "This is the part that is the free gift, which is resurrection. And this is the part that you earn, which is where you will live in heaven, exaltation." And when she wrote, "This is the part you earn," I just thought, that's not right. We don't earn our way to heaven, do we? It just didn't seem right. It really rattled me.
A message from that Easter song. Not the good that I have done, nothing but the blood of Jesus, resounded in Carrie's mind. Her heart now burned with questions. She longed for God to show her what was true and what wasn't.
I was a horrible journaler, but I just started to write down questions in the journal, and I didn't have answers, but I just kind of wrote it down and left it there just so that I could process it later.